Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best travel gears which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
Setting up a Brita Premium filtering water bottle is easy. Rinse your new filter vigorously under a strong stream of water for 15 seconds. Insert the filter into the straw and twist the straw into the bottom of the lid. Remember to replace your Brita bottle filter every 2 months. Now thoroughly rinse out your new bottle, then fill it with cold tap water. And enjoy great tasting water without the waste.
When cellular connectivity is an issue, and the situation demands the most powerful in-vehicle multi-user cell signal booster on the market today, there is now the Drive Reach by weboost. With Drive Reach, you and your passengers will instantly experience fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster network speeds, improved audio and data streaming, and greater hotspot capability throughout North America, no matter where you go or which provider you use.
Our Outgo Microfiber towel is truly a technical towel. Microfiber, being smaller than a human hair, is ultra absorbent, compact, and quick drying. But really what makes our towel different is its hand. It can be so soft up against the skin, and it doesn't bind up when you're rubbing it across the body. Plus, we've got this great snap loop where you can hang it to dry anywhere to create quick dry times much faster than your regular cotton terry towel. Plus, the sizes on this towel are going to accommodate whatever you need. Stuffing it into a backpack, making it disappear, traveling, using it as an airline blanket or an emergency blanket. Our provided mesh bag has 2 pockets for toiletries and also to aid in that drying process.
Travel anywhere while keeping your child entertained with the Kids Travel Tray by Lil Tots Gear. Keep them busy with new things to do, like inserting a drawing in the sleeve to draw on using dry erase markers, letting them play with their favorite toys, or eating their favorite snacks by using it as a tabletop. Insert a tablet and turn on your child's favorite show with the clear pocket in the back designed to hold a tablet. Having straps makes it travel-friendly and keeps everything organized for long road trips. Keep your child entertained and organized with the Lil Tots Gear Kids Travel Tray.
Hi, I'm Jessica with Eagle Creek, and this is the Undercover Bra Stash. What this is a unique and discreet underclothing solution designed to help you keep your necessities safe. What it is a small pocket for you to store your credit cards, cash, and other small belongings. To use it, simply snap it one of 3 ways. Either snap it to the center of your bra, to the strap of your bra, or to the side. Wear this product however it's most comfortable to you. It is made of breathable, washable natural silk with a moisture-resistant lining.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.